Hi everyone, this is Kenny here, and I'm an SME banker. So, some people have been asking me, what does SME bankers do? Basically, we are lending to SMEs, small medium enterprises. Small medium enterprises in Malaysia is classified to two parts here. One is manufacturing, the other is services and other sector. So for manufacturing, a small medium enterprise is categorized as a company with less than 50 million turnover or less than 200 employees and lesser. This is an SME. For services and other sector, SME Corp Malaysia, if you can look at the definition, is 20 million below turnover and less than 75 people working in the company. Okay? So what does this all mean to you? If you're a business owner, and you're watching this or know someone who's a business owner, I help to lend money to businesses for them to grow. Basically, most of the time, SMEs will like to have some working capital to stand by to grow their business. Whether they want to have less to ease their cash flow, to pay their vendors or to pay their suppliers or to pay their employees, They don't have to use cash upfront because sometimes you do business, right? Most of the time, actually, you do business, you have credit, right? So your customers will have credit, and you here, when you still started, you will need to pump in your cash. So this working capital that SME bankers like myself provide will help to ease your cash flow. Another thing that I do provide, service that I do provide, is that companies who are looking to buy properties, okay? Let's just say you want to expand your business, you are looking for an office to buy, and you want to buy it under your company. I can help finance that purchase as well. Or you have a property that is already appreciated under the company. You want to refinance it or remortgage it to the bank. I can help that as well. So companies here goes from the big companies to right up to the small companies, yeah. So Sembilan Berhad company, doesn't matter what's the structure, Sembilan Berhad company, sole proprietor, LLP, partnership. These are all the companies that are eligible to apply for loans, yeah, business loans. We call it business loans. If you are a business owner, or you yourself knows business owners who are looking for this working capital and also to purchase a property, you feel free to contact me, okay? Feel free to contact me, click the link down below. You can ask questions and you also can start the application, okay? I hope to see you soon. This is Kenny here from Profit Stories. Bye-bye.